Knee pain is a common issue, particularly for older people. Over the years, your knees bear a lot of wear and tear as you fight against gravity to walk and move. If you want to know why your knees hurt as you age and what you can do to prevent and fix it, stay tuned to this video on parshealthhtv to get your answer. Your knees do an excellent job. They hold much of your body weight. Every step you take puts massive pressure on your knees, approximately 1.5 times your weight. You'll take a lot of steps during your lifetime. Did you know that by the time you get 80, you'll have walked around the earth about 5 times? When you think about it this way, it's not unexpected that you may generate knee pain as you age. The board-certified doctors at Urgently Orthos visit patients daily with knee pain from hurts and chronic diseases like arthritis. Knee pain can result from an overuse hurt in which you damage a muscle, ligament, or tendon or a sudden accident. Chronic knee pain when you get older is usually the consequence of osteoarthritis. Your menisci, tough, fibrous tissues that are located between the knee bones and control direct bone-on-bone contact, get thinner, more frangible, and can tear more quickly as you age. Your articular cartilage, which covers the kneecap, can have the same deterioration. Your cartilage can ultimately disappear, resulting in severe bone-on-bone pain that needs knee replacement surgery. But that doesn't have to be your future. You can take steps to maintain your knee health and potentially avoid major surgery like knee replacement. Knee pain is a widespread orthopedic complaint. Chronic knee pain involves approximately 26% of grown-up people, with knee osteoarthritis being the most common reason in individuals aged 50 years and older. With some folks, knee pain can restrict function and daily activity levels, decreasing their quality of life. While obesity and poor lifestyle options influence how knees age, training can significantly lessen the results of aging on the knee. Muscles provide power, allowing us to move and keep our knees and other joints. Muscle strength rises around 25 and plateaus in our 30-40s. After that, it begins to drop and can do so rapidly without a daily exercise routine. By age 65, our muscles can make roughly 73% of peak force. These truths about muscle aging are essential when considering how knees age because muscle weakness causes excess stress on the knee joints. Over time, we can accelerate how our knees age if we let our bodies weaken without exercise. The large muscles of the leg, the quadriceps, calves, hamstrings, and even glutes, all help the knee. Symmetric and good strength in these groups provides our knee sufficient support as we walk, move, and climb. Exercising as we age is vital in supporting our knees to be healthy and strong. Here are a few things to lessen the effects of aging on the knee. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Get appropriate exercise. You've heard the phrase use it or lose it. That could be applied to your joints. Training is necessary to stay healthy and mobile until you age. But as you age, you'll likely need to modify your training regimen. Your joints are not as powerful as they were when you were 30. Save them from overuse injuries. Adjust your workout to your changing ability. It's time to give up your deep squats when you were a 25-year-old weightlifter. If you were a runner, you might require a change to rowing or cycling. Isn't that a better option than wearing out your knees by the time you're 65? If you love the water, swimming is an excellent non-weight bearing activity. Gentle and senior yoga help keep your range of motion and flexibility. Lose weight. If your BMI exceeds 25, you'll do your knees a favor by slimming down. You may assume that 20 pounds overweight isn't that outsized, but each extra pound adds 4 more pounds of pressure on your knees, so you have 80 pounds of excess pressure on your knee joints. Over time, it quickens cartilage impairment and deterioration. Choose appropriate footwear. Standing on concrete or another hard surface can hurt your knees for extended periods. Utilize cushioned inserts, or, if your condition warrants, get prescription orthotics that supply extra support. It's simple to lose your balance on stiletto heels. Pick a lower heel and go for comfort. Whether it's from arthritis or an overuse injury, your knee pain can be mitigated when an Urgently Ortho physician presents the most helpful treatment for your situation. If it's a minor injury, you may require the right strategy: rest, ice or heat, compression, and elevation of your leg, along with a brief brace. If your range of motion is affected, your physician may prescribe physical therapy to help you regain it. Injections can deliver significant pain relief if your pain is severe. They give you time to think about longer-term methods like platelet-rich plasma treatment or, if required, surgery. Strengthen your upper and lower leg muscles. Perform exercises that focus on your hamstrings, quadriceps, gluteus muscles, hip flexors, and psoas. Stretch those leg muscles to support your entire range of motion. Try including yoga into your stretching routine. Keep a suggested weight. Excess pounds add significant pressure to the knees. Even a 10-pound weight loss can make a huge difference. Select low-impact activities to protect the cartilage in your knees. Cardiovascular exercises such as cycling, on a properly fitted bike, and swimming can help maintain healthy knee cartilage and contain future damage. Visit a medical doctor right away if you have a swollen knee. It can suggest damaged cartilage. Be careful when playing sports that need you to abruptly start, stop or pivot, such as basketball or football. Be active every day. Physical exercise aids control stiffness and muscle atrophy and can save your knees from future injury. Mix up your exercise routine. Activities that put repetitive stress on your knees can raise your risk of developing a knee problem. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.